Hey everyone, it's Ish Gaming here. AI is here. What does it mean for YouTube? AI is changing everything. It's making art, it's writing poems, it's even making YouTube videos. Is this the end of human YouTubers? Not so fast. AI tools are getting good at making videos, but they still need us. We bring the ideas, the passion, the human touch. AI can help us make better videos faster, it can edit, add music, and even write scripts. But it can't replace the heart of a good YouTube channel, the human connection. So how can AI help us make better videos? There are tools like InVideo that automate video creation. InVideo can take your raw footage and edit it into a polished video. It can add music, transitions, and even special effects. AI can also help with script writing. Tools like Jasper can generate video scripts based on your prompts and keywords. And don't forget about scheduling. AI can help you plan and schedule your video uploads for maximum impact. Don't believe me? There are already AI-powered YouTube channels out there. They're making everything from cooking tutorials to travel vlogs. These channels use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and even the visuals. And some of them are surprisingly good. But even these channels have humans behind the scenes. They're choosing the topics, refining the scripts, and making sure the videos are engaging. So, will AI take over YouTube? I don't think so, at least not completely. AI is a tool. It's like a camera or a microphone. It can help us create amazing things, but it can't replace us. The future of YouTube is a collaboration between humans and AI. We'll use AI to make better videos faster, but we'll always be the ones telling the stories. We'll always be the ones making the connections, because that's what makes YouTube special. It's a human connection.